The LUMINA NRG facial toning therapy device, a 3-in-1 beauty device, supported by technology developed by NASA. It combines red LED light and microcurrent technology to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and blue LED light to target mild to moderate acne. The technology in this anti-aging device is clinically shown to temporarily refine facial contour and even out the appearance of the skin tone, all in the comfort of your own home. As you age, your skin produces less of the proteins collagen and elastin. This makes your skin appear thinner. Environmental exposure and dehydration can all make your face more likely to develop visible wrinkles. The LUMINA NRG facial toning therapy device synergistically combines LED and microcurrent technology to help rejuvenate the look of your skin. This combination helps promote a more youthful appearance. The LUMINA NRG facial toning therapy device delivers a low level of electrical current to help support collagen and elastin production. The microcurrent function helps to rejuvenate the look and feel of wrinkled and aging skin. Microcurrent treatments use pulsating electrical currents of low voltage to temporarily contour the face, lift sagging muscles, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This technology works on the facial muscles, similar to how exercise tones and firms the muscles of our bodies. Before you begin, first cleanse the skin, removing any makeup or skincare products. Apply the gel primer generously to the treatment area. Your skin should look wet. Place the device up to your skin and glide up slowly until you hear the beep. Move over to the first position and repeat. Control the intensity by pressing the button. You may feel a slight tingle. You can do the daily 5-minute facelift or the extended 15-minute facelift. Both help temporarily improve facial contour and to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. The LUMINA NRG facial toning therapy device uses light-emitting diode technology to help promote collagen production in the epidermis. Enhanced collagen production improves the overall texture of the epidermis, resulting in a more youthful, radiant appearance. It works from the inside out to help minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, acne, and uneven skin tone. Each color of light possesses a different wavelength that penetrates the skin at a specific depth. Red infrared wavelengths are the longest of the visible light spectrum between 630 to 830 nm that penetrate into the dermal layer. Red light with infrared trigger the production of collagen and elastin, plumping the skin and minimizing the appearance of wrinkle depth. Blue light wavelengths 405 to 470 nm works by killing the acne-causing bacteria at the source. While some bacteria are helpful, others promote blemish-causing conditions. Blue light activates chemicals inside these bacteria, which swell and burst when exposed to blue light and effectively causing the bacteria to self-destruct, stopping their ability to form acne. Blue light targets mild to moderate acne, leading to a clear and more even-looking skin tone. Aging is a natural part of life. The LUMINA NRG facial toning therapy device helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and mild to moderate acne for younger-looking skin.